guys and welcome back to Brainwash. So Bollywood songs depend a lot on their lyrics. Good lyrics can make a song very good and bad lyrics can just fuck it up completely. We had already made a list about Bollywood lyrics that don't make sense, but then we looked at a few new Bollywood songs and we thought, yeah, this shit also doesn't make sense. So now we are making a list of the top 10 Bollywood lyrics that just don't make sense, part 2. Number 10, Chavanprash. Many of you may not know about this song because this was just a promotional song for the film Bhavesh Joshi Superhero and didn't really get a lot of marketing. And thank God it didn't, because if it did, it would easily be one of the most troll songs out there. Now if you listen to this song, it's a very fun song because of the way it's composed by Amit Trivedi. But the lyrics of it are still quite ridiculous. The main chorus of this song is मेरी तंदुरुस्ती का यही राज है तेरे चुम्मे में च्यवनप्राश है. And there's a literal description of a chumma like it's a medicine or something. जो स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा है, दिन में 2 दफा लेना चाहिए. It also keeps your blood warm. The song also has other weird stuff like Kolhapuri Schwarzenegger. Also ends with the rhyme of तू ही ट्रेनर है, तू ही प्रेमिका, चलती फिरती तू योगा क्लास है. The music does makes the lyrics a little bit fun, but frankly they are just plain fucking weird. Number 9, the Mutton Song. Okay, another song that you actually didn't know about but is an actual song is the Mutton Song. Dumb name, I know, but the lyrics are even dumber. Dodoy. Now, although the tune of this song is groovy and poppy, but the lyrics are just plain fucking weird. It starts off with this shairi about how even a dude will look hot in a choli and then straight to mera jisam jisam mera badan badan arey main hu taza mutton mutton. Like what? And I must admit, it does go with the situation that's happening in this godforsaken movie, but on its own, it's plain bullshit. कैल्विन का कच्चा छोड़ा है चोली से दामन जोड़ा है 40 की छाती चिकनी है कि वैक्सिंग मैंने इतनी है एंड 6 पैक के बिस्किट गोल हुए नाभि में पियर्सिंग होल हुए. I mean, these kind of lyrics aren't an easy thing, you know. I'm sure Amitabh Bhattacharya was on a lot of methi for this and it's so bad, it's actually good. Number 8 too. While there are numerous songs about how asses in Bollywood are sexy, there are only a few that are as descriptive and objectifying as two from the movie Gori Tere Pyar Mein. Matlab, this is a Punjabi wedding song. But all it managed to tell us are about the alag-alag types of booties that are out there. This song has lyrics such as Gore Gore Naughty Naughty Round Round 2. I mean, why? Why do we need to know about this? And why is this a Punjabi wedding song? And just when you think that they will stop, they go one step ahead. And tell us how even Punjabis have a 2 and even Sharabis have a 2. मतलब हमको पता ही नहीं है तुमको भी 2 है. Plus the objectifying gets worse when they happily sing about how her 2 makes all the boys go crazy and आशिकों की लाइनें लगवाती है. मतलब खुद को ही इतना objectify कर दिया है कि पूछो ही मत. Number 7, Susu आ गया. There's a little explanation needed here. So this is a song from an old Akshay Kumar film called Tarazu, which is solely based on the concept of Susu आ गया है मैं क्या करूँ. Now as long as a kid is singing it, it feels kind of fine. Like बच्चा है, सुसु आई है, कहाँ जाना है पता नहीं है तो पूछ रहा है. But then suddenly Akshay Kumar also starts singing this song. कर ना. And then the rest of the song is just Akshay Kumar telling them जा घर में जाके करके आ, जा झाड़ी के पीछे जा. I mean, why do we need a song that tells us where we can go and do our pishab? And that also is telling us to go and pee in jhadis. Boss allowed नहीं है झाड़ियों में pee करना. Also, why would anyone need to know about that? Also,
करो ना भाई.
Number 6, पानी वाला dance. Some songs are dumb, but this song is just on another level. The starting of this song itself is so fucking weird. Baby, you just like a fish, किसी के हाथ ना आए. First of all, तो उसको मच्छी क्यों बुला रहा है? Then water में खेलती हो, मजे तुम लेती हो, हमें ना देती हो, जो मांगू tell me why. उसको नहीं देना होगा भाई, छोड़ दे अकेले. And you know what? Dumb party songs का कुछ तो सेंस बनता है. But what the fuck is hot summer ऊपर से मैं भी hot, आजा मेरे साथ लगा ले 2 tequila shot. It feels like they just tried to rhyme something. Hot shot, shot क्या होता है tequila, tequila shot done. फिर क्या? And do that पानी वाला dance. किया एंड देन भाई साहब क्या बोलते हैं स्विमिंग पूल में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो. नाउ इफ यू ट्राइंग टू पे होमाज टू समंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो तो आई गेट इट. बट तेरे बाप ने पूल में नमक डाला था क्या? एंड देन स्टील द लिवर प्लैटिनम द जिगर लेट्स डू द पानी वाला डांस. अ स्टील लिवर एंड प्लैटिनम जिगर इज नॉट अ गुड इनफ रीजन टू डांस विथ यू माई बॉय. Number 5, Genda Fool. It's bad enough that Bacha stole a Bengali folk song from the folk artist Ratan Kahar without giving him any credit at all. But then he added his own nursery rhyme wale lyrics to it and called it rap or hip hop or whatever. And that's just plain cruelty to the ears. Some of the outstanding lyrics in this amazing song include lines such as Chale jab tu latak matak, londo ke dil patak patak, saase jaye atak atak, aata maji satak satak. What the fuck is satak satak? That's not proper Marathi, nor proper English, nor proper Hindi. इसको बस राइम करने के लिए लैंग्वेजेस की मारनी है. He also has lyrics like come on baby kick it काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट विकेट पर तू ले ले विकेट विकेट. This whole ass song is just a terrible nursery rhyme with broken English as if Bacha never even went to school. Heartbeat missing jab tu look me in the eye and promise water never come down from your eye. क्या है ये? After listening to this song, I really do need therapy. And what's better than retail therapy? If you shop online on websites like Amazon, Myntra, Ajio, etc. or want to save on recharge and bill payments, then you should definitely use India's biggest cashback app, Cash Karo. Cash Karo gives extra cashback over and above all of the existing discounts and offers. It's funded by Mr. Ratan Tata and whatever cashback you earn on Cash Karo is all real cash. And all of it can be transferred to your bank account or converted into Amazon gift vouchers. Using Cash Karo is super simple and requires just 2 steps. Just click on the link in the description and download Cash Karo. You will get a 25 rupees bonus instantly when you sign up from the description link, or you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download the Cash Karo app and use my code BRAIN25 and get the 25 rupees bonus instantly. After making your account, just search or select any website. For example, I am choosing Amazon. When you tap the orange button, Cash Karo will take you to the particular website. Now you just have to shop normally, add the products to your cart and make the payment. After some time, you will see the cashback in the My Earnings section of your Cash Karo account. Once this is confirmed, you can transfer the entire amount to your bank account or convert it into Amazon vouchers. You can shop and earn free cashback on more than 1500 websites with Cash Karo. So just click on the link in the description, sign up on Cash Karo and shop now. Number 4, Fevicol Se. On the surface of it, Fevicol Se is just another item song that objectifies women. But when you really look into the lyrics of this song, you realize that half the shit that they are talking about doesn't even make sense. There are lyrics like प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की daughter से, ये हूँ दारू जो चढ़े सिर्फ water से. Both these sentences don't make any kind of sense. Just like मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले से या फेविकॉल से. क्यों कोई चूतिया सीने पे फेविकॉल से फोटो चिपकाएगा और खुद की वैक्सिंग करा लेगा? हद तो तब हो जाती है when at the end they just start saying all the words that end with all without any rhyme or reason, like लौंडिया पटाएंगे मिस्ड कॉल से, बैट बॉल से, सिनेमा हॉल से, अरे मैरिज हॉल से, ओवरऑल से, कुछ भी. Number 3, दिल करे चूचा. I mean that says it all, right? This song is from the movie Sing is Bling and it's as forgettable and dumb as the movie itself was. Written by Kumar, this song actually starts off very normally with some Punjabi lines. But then things get worse when every single line sung by Akshay Kumar in Punjabi is then translated into English by Lara Dutta because Amy Jackson doesn't understand any other language. And it gets very weird very fast. As we see dumb translations like he wants to say that he loves you, bae. Now you gotta tell him something too. However, things get worse when the main chorus starts and we hear the words Dil kare choo che choo che choo. And they somehow don't translate this shit because इस चूतियापे का कोई translation नहीं हो सकता है. मतलब क्या है ये चूचे चू? क्यों कर रहा है दिल चूचे चू? तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया. Number 2, Hookah Bar. When we first made this list, people in the comments kept asking us why we didn't include Hookah Bar in this list. And we just thought that it was a very famous song, so we decided to ignore it. But opinions change, and here we are talking about one of the most obnoxiously written songs ever. Matlab, we get it. This is a party song written by Himesh Reshamya for a film as dumb as Khiladi 786. Write the most basic shit if you want. But don't put shit like Tera Husn Dhuvedar jaise jalta cigar. What are you trying to say? That she's as beautiful as a burning cigarette? And then there's the infamous Tera Pyar Pyar Hookah Bar. मतलब कौन ये चर्सी जिसने ये गाना लिखा है? Who is this hookah slut? Actually, we know who wrote it. It's Shabir Ahmed. And although he may not be a Charsi, He seriously needs to stop hanging out near hookah bars or he will write more nonsensical lyrics like तेरे प्यार का नशा कभी आर कभी पार. मतलब राइमिंग के लिए कुछ भी लिखेगा क्या भाई? Number 1 Beyonce शर्मा जाएगी. There's not much we can say about this song that you guys don't already know about it. When the lyrics of a song are so hurtful that the director has to apologize for it and the lyrics have to be changed, then you know you're fucked up royally. Bollywood has had numerous examples of being racist just because of lack of knowledge or awareness about this. But when you're in 2020 and you make a song with the lyrics "Tujhe dekh ke Goriya Beyonce Sharma jayegi," then you surely have to be ashamed. This song got almost 1 million dislikes on YouTube within a day and got widespread criticism, not only for having racist undertones but also for dragging the name of a famous singer-songwriter Beyonce into this song. Later, the lyrics of the main hook were replaced to "Tere dekh ke nakhre ye duniya sharma jayegi." But the damage had already been done. And Bollywood has yet again showed that it's way behind in terms of cultural awareness or even logic. So guys, this was our video about 10 more ridiculous song lyrics that just don't make sense. Do let us know what other songs you think should make this list. Also guys, don't forget, Cash Karo is an all-in-one app that is giving you free money for shopping online. Why would you not want that? Just sign up on Cash Karo with the link in the description or download the app on your phone and use my code BRAIN25 and make at least one transaction to earn the free cashback. With the code or the description in the link below, you will get the extra 25 rupees. So go shop now. Also, do let us know in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make next. Follow our social media handles to get to know us better, like and share this video and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.